Hi, welcome to Brooks HD. So recently we have so many new things in Tampool. So the championship levels are still going on. Like we completed one set of things and got some rewards, but again there is another set, 4 more days, and we have like new levels here. But all those things are like the usual, like normal things. But here, if you press, like we can see somewhere here, if you press on some, like where are the characters, yeah, so if you press on the juice kind of thing, we can get this. So if you can give some refreshing drinks, or sometimes you can brush the fireworks or other things for keys, so that you can get some coins. So let's do this thing. So here we can see the coins will come like this, like so many coins will come, and after that we have this kind of option, like uh, using one key you can feed the visitors and you can get the coins. Like this you can earn coins, like we need coins for everything. And after that we can see this kind of thing, like some other things will come one by one, like the fireworks option was there, and we have one more option, like if you tap on this, the fireworks, so you need keys for this, and you can see like this the fireworks, and then you can get the coins. So you need to play these levels to the normal levels to earn the keys, and afterwards you can spend the keys like for feeding the visitors or the fireworks for other options. So yeah. So that's about today's video, about the new levels in the championship and the normal levels, the new normal levels, and these kind of new things like feeding the visitors option in Tampool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.